In today's video, we will show you how to create different approver groups in Teams Manager. In Microsoft Teams, open the Teams Manager app. Navigate to the Settings and choose Approval. You will now see an overview of all approver groups. As a standard, there is already a default approver group with you as the first approver. To define a new approver group, click Add a Group. Give your new approver group a name and a description. Search for the users you want to add and select them. Click Create to finalize your new approver group. The new approver group is now displayed in the overview. You can create as many approver groups as you need. You can also edit or delete the groups by clicking on the three dots next to them. Now, whenever you create a policy package, you can decide which approver group should be able to process new requests. If you would like to see more about Teams Manager's request and approval settings or other governance options, download it from the Teams App Store for a free trial or book a personal demo with our experts at solutions2share.com.